Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy Shiva, and today we reach Mumbai. We stay in the hotel whole night. Today I'll show you my room for sure because I have given this for cleaning, and right now I am at Marine Drive, guys. Marine Drive. I am at the Marine Drive right now, and we are going to Juhu Chowpatty today. Juhu Chowpatty. So our plan is to cover. We'll be going here from the Worli Sea Link, and then we'll go to Juhu Chowpatty, and from there we'll go a little bit of Bandra side, and from Bandra we'll be coming back from the Worli Sea Link to the Marine Drive to see the sunset. That is all for today. That is what we will be doing, so keep watching. And there's a lot of pollution here in Mumbai, so you cannot see the other side of the ocean. You can see a little bit of buildings and that's it, so you cannot see completely the thing. So that's it, and follow me. तो गाइस ये देख लो मुंबई की सड़कें, the roads of Mumbai. And what great about this city is the skyline. It looks huge. Huge skyline. There is no space to even walk, so people are standing in traffic all the time. I wonder how people in Mumbai manage their cars. If there is no CNG in your car, you would be spending a lot of fuel, and the petrol is 93 rupees per liter. So you must be imagining like running 1 kilometer for 10 rupees, and it's too much of money. So I don't think these people must be very rich to afford all this. So that's why I think they call it the most expensive city, because everything is very expensive here. But the streets of Mumbai, look. The only thing I like about Mumbai is the huge skyscrapers. They are huge. No matter where you see huge lines, huge buildings. So that's one thing I like about Mumbai. You guys see the traffic. We are in the same place for last like 15 minutes. गाइस ये देखो, ये रहा अंतिला. ये वाली बिल्डिंग अंतिला है. पोल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा है तो इतनी क्लियर नहीं दिख रही, बाकी यही है बिल्डिंग. मैप में भी यही दिखा रहा है, और पूछा भी तो यही पर. So guys, this is it. This is the world most expensive home right there in front of my eyes. I can't believe it's just for one family, so much building. So let's go and see nearby. Guys, we just crossed the Worli ceiling right now, and I just put the video before this. It looks amazing, but you cannot feel that you are above the sea. It's just that when you see from far, it looks like it's on the sea, but not really. It's just a 4-5 kilometer bridge, and not a really big bridge, but yeah, it's above sea. It's something different, and the toll is not so much. It's 100 rupees going and coming back. So okay, if you have car, you can just go by, otherwise not necessary. But anyways, you will have to cross to go to the other side of Mumbai, from the south Mumbai to, if you are going to Bandra, so you will need to cross it. And let's go to Juhu Chowpatty right now. Sorry, I am making one video in car basically, but yeah, I am putting things more, so keep watching this video till the sunset. सो गाइज़, अभी हम आ गए हैं जूहू चौपाटी, और यहाँ पर जो है अपना मिलता है स्ट्रीट फूड। तो बिल्कुल बीच से पहले ही इन्होंने स्टॉल सा बना रखे हैं, ये सारे स्टॉल्स हैं, और हर कोई जो है स्ट्रीट फूड सेल कर रहा है। सो दिस इज़ वन स्पेशलिटी ऑफ मुंबई, दैट इफ़ यू कम टू जूहू चौपाटी यू नीड टू ट्राई द स्ट्रीट फूड. So basically they have proper shops. It's not like on the beach you will find all the street food. आप यहाँ आओगे तो आपको सारी तरीके का स्ट्रीट फूड मिलेगा. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ जस्ट.
नहीं 50 लेगा, इधर क्या बोला तो 50 रुपये लेगा.
सो गाइस, दिस इज जुहू चौपाटी और सारी तरीके का स्ट्रीट फूड. So guys, Juhu Chowpatty food I will give just 6 out of 10. I think there is more good places to find street food in Mumbai. This is like popular, that's why many people, that's why it's popular. But I'll just give 6.5 out of 10, not more than that, for Juhu Chowpatty street food. You can check in more places in Mumbai for street food. तो गाइस, अभी हम संजय दत्त का घर ढूंढ रहे हैं, बाबा का घर. बाबा किधर रहता है रे बाबा? बाबा का घर ढूंढने का, फिर जाएंगे हम शाहरुख का घर देखने. पहले बाबा का घर ढूंढ लेते हैं. मेरे ख्याल आसपास ही है. पाली हिल तो पहुंच गए हैं. किसी ने बोला था पाली हिल पे ही बाबा संजू बाबा का घर मिलेगा. पाली हिल पहुंच गए हैं. देखते हैं बाबा का घर है किधर. तो है इधर ही, किधर है देखना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा. फॉलो मी. तो भाई फुल खबर है कि राइट साइड में लास्ट में संजय दत्त का ही घर है. तो भाई जाने का, संजय दत्त का घर तो ढूंढना ही ढूंढना है. उसके बाद हम ढूंढेंगे शाहरुख का घर. I don't know. तो भाई यही है संजय दत्त का हाउस. अब हाउस ही है, कुछ ऐसा है नहीं. मैं मिलने नहीं जा रहा हूँ. तो यही कहीं संजय दत्त रहते हैं. That's it. So guys, अब हम शाहरुख खान के घर जा रहे हैं. इंपीरियल हाइट्स था. मैंने जरा सा ही जो है ना स्नैप लिया है, और इससे ज़्यादा कुछ ले नहीं सकते, क्योंकि भाई ये एक हाउस है, किसी की प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी है. तो ऐसे तुम ज़बरदस्ती कर नहीं सकते हो कि हाँ भाई तुम जाके वहाँ घुस जाओ. वहाँ सिक्योरिटी भी है, सब कुछ है. और अब हम पाली हिल से पाली हिल घूम रहे हैं. ये पाली हिल है आगे मेरे, देख सकते हो आप. तो गाइस, ये सारा एरिया जो है पाली हिल है. संजय दत्त यहीं रहता है. और शाहरुख खान जो है बैंड स्टैंड रहता है, अमिताभ बच्चन जुहू रहता है। जुहू, पाली हिल, बैंड स्टैंड, 3 जगह जाने का अगर आपको इनके घर वगैरह देखने हैं, या फिर जस्ट फॉर द सेक कि सिटी में ऐसा क्या है कि ये लोग कहाँ रहते हैं, इफ़ यू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ क्यूरोसिटी। बट द बेस्ट स्टिल नाउ इज मुकेश अंबानी होम फॉर श्योर। ही लिव्स लाइक you know one king. So guys, all this area is known as Bandra. From Juhu onwards you will end up in Bandra, and here is also beach, here is also people going to the beach, and it looks more clean than the Juhu part, and it looks more posh everything. So this is the Bandra part that I am just showing you right now. So yeah, it looks more beautiful than obviously, you know, Juhu. Juhu, Amitabh Bachchan stays. Then in Pali Hill, Sanjay Dutt stays, and here Shahrukh Khan stays. So all these places are nearby. तो गाइज यही है शाहरुख खान का घर। यहाँ से तो इतना ही दिख रहा है, पीछे की तरफ है बाकी का हाउस। और ये देख लो भाई, लोग थोड़ा सा पीछे रह गया है मेरे ख्याल। ये ऊपर से जो है ये पूरा का पूरा जो हाउस उसी का है। ये इधर से शुरू है और उधर तक है। लेट मी गो द अदर साइड। तो गाइस वो वाला हाउस शाहरुख खान का है। यहाँ से शुरू हो गए यहाँ तक जो पूरी बिल्डिंग देख रहे हो वो शाहरुख खान की है। और यही एरिया है जहाँ शाहरुख खान रहता है। एकदम सी के सामने इसका हाउस है, इधर भी और इधर भी। वहाँ खड़े नहीं रहने का, वहाँ फ़ोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं लोग उसके घर के आगे। बट दैट्स द हाउस ऑफ शाहरुख खान एंड इट लुक्स लाइक, यू नो, बिलो इज़ वन काइंड ऑफ क्लब एंड अबोव इज़ द अपार्टमेंट्स, and you can see directly from his room. So it looks beautiful. I don't know if he is in or not, but yeah, it's the way the king of Bollywood lives here in Mumbai. The king of Bollywood, how he lives. So that's pretty much of it. They're right there, and here is like, you know, one tourist place. Shahrukh Khan house is one tourist place, and that's pretty much of it. तो गाइस मेरे पीछे वर्ली सी लिंक है, ये जो मैंने आपको शो करा है, दिस इज द सी लिंक। आई एम क्रॉसिंग बैक सो आई कैन show you more. I cannot take a photo, that's the whole thing, because of the pollution. So guys, we are at the Marine Drive right now and I'm just crossing the road. Crossing the road is difficult because there is too much traffic, but I'm looking for my car because the guys, I just parked in front of CCD, but I don't know if they will come to pick it up or not, so I need to be careful with that. And that's it. This is the Marine Drive behind me. Marine Drive, and that's all for today. Today dinner is finished. Here is the sunset, and after the sunset we are going. आज के लिए गाइस इतना ही बस। मुंबई कल हम जा रहे हैं माउंट आबू। मुंबई से डायरेक्ट फुल पावर जो है ड्राइव होगी कल 750 or 800 kilometers about. So we'll leave at 5 in the morning. Nothing more to see in Mumbai. No more reasons to be here. So more review Mumbai.
Okay, in English, right? Okay, so I think it's a very beautiful city. I like very much. But my favorite part is Colaba. Colaba is the most pretty. I think it looks a little bit like London. A little bit. I have never been in London, but I have watched a lot of movies. Now we are here in Marine Drive, which is also nice. I really would like to stay for more days because there are many things that I want to watch and go a little slowly. I went to Shah Rukh Khan house, which is perfect because I love Shah Rukh Khan. No, it's okay. I like it very much, but I really would like to stay for more time.
So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. The next video will be of Mount Abu. We are driving straight here from Mumbai to Mount Abu, and the sun is setting. The video is ending up here, right here at Marine Drive. I'll show you all the Mumbai. There is nothing more left. Only the slums are left. But slums you have seen in many movies and everywhere. Everyone is posting about slums. So you can directly go and catch the slums there. And that's all for today. Subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Keep subscribing. Thank you. तो गाइज ये चीज़ बहुत यूनिक देखी है मुंबई में अपनी। ये फोर्स के टेम्पो ट्रेवलर है। फोर्स के अपने ऐसे ही चलते हैं, बट यहाँ पर बेस्ट सिटी सर्विस है। सिटी सर्विस और ये यूज़ करते हैं फोर्स के टेम्पो ट्रेवलर। सो इट्स वेरी गुड। इट्स समथिंग यूनिक दैट आई सॉ इन मुंबई। समथिंग वेरी यूनिक। गाइस एक फेमस रेस्टोरेंट में पहुंच गए हैं यहाँ कोलाबा में. इट्स कॉल्ड बड़े मियाँ. नॉट फॉर अमिताभ बच्चन बट इट्स जस्ट कॉल्ड बड़े मियाँ. It's just called Bade Miyan because it's Bade Miyan, that's it, and nothing more. And it's famous here. There is waiting going on here, so you can imagine how famous it is. And they have all non-veg kind of things like seekh kebab and everything. And they have one restaurant here right back, but there is waiting going on, so we are still waiting here, like what to do, what not to do. And he says 5 minutes, so 5 minutes is not enough time. We can go inside. We are still waiting at the reception, like at the entrance, and that's it pretty much of it. But look, they have 1, 2, and this one is the third one behind me, and the fourth, and the restaurant and everything. So it's still waiting, so it must be very good that they are providing the food here. It's very famous, more famous than any other restaurant here. So keep watching. Guys, we are at this Bade Miyan right now, and we are just waiting for food right now because there is nothing else to do. He said it will take some time, but at least he is serving, so no problem. We're gonna wait here till the time we can. Let's see. Look at the place. So this is very famous here, so that's why there are a lot of people, and it has waiting also. So let's see what happens next. So guys, one review about Bade Miyan. Not tasty. 6 out of 10 in total, not even 6. I'll give it 5 because there was so much waiting there and so many people there.
The food is.
If you want to go on the
when they use
in the last
No,
of wait. Go on the last of Taj Mahal and find one restaurant called Mezban. They serve great butter chicken, and I hope that they will be serving more, delicious mutton also. So you need to go there rather than going. The whole lane is from Muslim people, so you can go there to try non-veg food. So guys, behind me is one 40 years old left. The hotel is all renewed up, so everything is all marble and tiles and everything, and the glasses and the chandelier and everything, but the lift is still 40 years old,
and it opens like
and
that.
it opens like that.
Yes.
This is our friend who opens this. And second floor, brother.
Okay.
And it closes like this, and it actually functions. The last time I showed you in Udaipur, it was not working, but this actually
This
works.
is what.
This is working. So at Subha Palace,
Yes.
Mumbai. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. So guys, this is our hotel, and that's pretty much. Guys, so finally I'm showing you my room. It's clean, it's pretty clean, and it's for 3,000 rupees per night including breakfast. So we booked for 2 nights. I paid almost 6,300 rupees, almost $80-90. Okay, in dollars I'm also telling you, but it's exactly at the center behind Taj Hotel or Gateway of India. It's exactly at the center, and this is the room. Here is the toilet, bathroom, and this is the room. Pretty big room, not a problem. Here is a queen size bed, and what I like about this room is that everything is like, very beautiful. The wooden carvings and everything are a little antique, and here are the chairs, the table, the curtains, the bed, and this is the room right here. So I would recommend this place a lot. It's called Subha Palace, right at Colaba. Subha Palace, that's it, Subha Palace. And let me show you the washroom also. This is the washroom. And this, that's it. See ya guys.